Well, the stakes are very high. So this is the climate crisis is the greatest threat that humanity has ever faced.
If your experience, not your beliefs, not your theoretical understanding, but if your experience is that your food comes from the grocery store and your water comes from a tap, you will defend to the death the system that brought those to you because your life depends on it.
It's almost a predictable consequence of development of life like ours on a planet that we get to the point where we're overproductive in terms of population growth, and we also consume all of this burnable material.
More people, more energy requirements. Everybody wants to become part of the middle class. Growing affluence, growing technology. So it's not just population. You have to take population, all right, and multiply it by affluence.
Well, 6 feet of sea level rise would be a major world impact. There are hundreds of millions of people that live within 6 feet of sea level rise.
Well, my thought has always been that it's very difficult for any planet to remain habitable long enough to get to complexity.
Operatively, the real problem is the control of big money over our political discourse and over our communication system.
Anarchy means real disorder. Anarchism means, actually all it means is societies without the formation of the institution of the state.
The idea of Marx that you can only have a transformation, a revolutionary transformation of a society through revolution is essentially correct. I mean, we said that's terrible, people should find a way without, we didn't find a way.
I think that going to jail, for me, it's no fun to spend a few nights in jail, but it's not the end of the world. The end of the world is the end of the world.
We keep talking about the economy versus the environment as though that makes any sense whatsoever, where the environment is actually the source of your life.